guys, now we are going to see about the kinds of operator with an example program in Java. Okay, let us start with arithmetic operators. So first one is nothing but your additional operators. You know how to write your Java program, right? Your first line and first thing should be that whatever you're writing Java program, that must be kept inside a class, because class name is very essential for compiling your Java program. So we need class. So I have created a class. That class name is public class CPI tutorials. Okay, good. Next, once the class is created, for the initialization of your compilation, it comes up with void main function. So I have written public static void main string arguments. So this program main agenda is I have two variables and two values, and one variable is named as num1 and another variable is named as num2. Okay, through the operator called equal to, that is assignment operator, I have assigned the value of num1 to be 10 and num2 to be 20. Okay, for adding these two variables, I am in a need of an operator, and that operator is called as plus operator. Okay, so that in my statement num1 plus num2. Okay, once addition operation is performed, where should my result should be stored? That comes apart. So let me tell how to make addition operation. You know, in mathematics it is adding your LSBs and next characters. 2 plus 1 is 3. Okay, 30. So where should I store this 30 in the sin is a question mark. So I need to create one more variable, and that variable is sum. So I have created one more variable, and that variable is named as sum. Okay, and what is the value I'm going to store means the operand operations what I have done here. Okay, the resultant of my operation is nothing but 30. Okay, so the value 30 I need to push it to the variable sum through the operator called equal to. Okay, now my variables are filled with values. To know that user what is the computed value, I need to use a println statement. So that is system.out.println. So through that I am going to output this particular value. So it will be listed as 30. Okay, this is about your addition operation. What happens to my subtraction operation? In the sense, the same program, but the operator will be of minus here. Okay, subtraction operator, instead of plus you will be having a minus operation. Okay, so let me check with another type. So that is your multiplication. All those are same programs, but the symbols will be different. Keep it in the memory. About the operator called a slash and percentage. Okay, so what is the difference between slash and percentage? In the sense, if I am writing 4 divided by 2 in the sense, in my note in mathematics we will do like this. Okay, this as in this part you are going to divide it by 4. Okay, so what is a division table you have learnt in maths is 2 2s are 4. So what is your remainder? This is called as quotient and this is called as a remainder. Okay, so this slash will be, this quotient will be held it in slash and remainder will be held it in the percentage. So slash have the value of quotient and percentage hold the value of a remainder. So this is what you have to kept in the memory when it comes with division and modulus operators. Next, very important topic is nothing but increment operator. What is this increment operator in the sense? Um, a variable contains one value like 10 and all. If I am in a situation to add one number to the 10, so we no need to store another variable that is equal to 1. For example, in my program, let us zoom this one. Okay, why we go for increment operator in the sense, I have num1, that is 10. Okay, but I want to increment this 10 to one value. In the sense, what is automatically I will do in the sense, I need to create one more variable that is equal to 2 and assign the value to be 1. Again do num1 plus num2. Okay, again I have to repeat two other steps for execution. To overcome this problem, increment operator came into an existence. So what it do means, increment operator are of two kinds. One is plus plus incrementer and another pre-increment, and another one is post-increment. What is the difference between pre-increment and post-increment in the sense? How do they push out the values to the suppliers? Okay, if a function is calling, if a println statement is calling, getting in the sense how the values added and then they are pushing. Okay, that depends on that. We have two kinds. Let me have one by one. Let us take a is a variable and that variable has a 10 as a value. Okay, if I am writing it as a plus plus, okay, after then this particular a is frequently used in the forecoming statements. So how do it process in the sense a plus plus? So a is assigned with the value 10. Okay, then some other is asking in the sense, after it just push out this 10 to the person who are asking, and then only the incrementation part happens, and then only the incrementation part happens. So this is called as post increment. Okay, when it comes with a pre increment, when it comes with pre increment, a has a value 10, and if I am telling that it is pre-increment in the sense, it is a pre-increment in the sense, it will first add it and then only it will push it to the person who is asking. Okay, so what happens in the sense, this 10 will be first incremented with the value 11, and then only it pushes to the some other persons. That is the difference of your pre-increment and your post-increment. Likewise, you will be having decrement also, like addition, your decrementation, your subtractions will be carried on. So next we are going to see about assignment operator. Assignment operator is nothing but equal to operator. Okay, it is associativity come from right hand side to left hand side. Okay, if you are assigning it as 10 and here as a variable abdina, the value 10 will be assigned to the variable a. Okay, this is about your assignment operator. We have many kinds of assignment operators, like a equal to a plus equal to b, whereas a equal to 10 and b equal to 20 in the sense consider. Okay, a equal to 10 and b equal to 20, then how come this statement will be working off? In the sense, what is this statement abbreviation is nothing but a equal to a plus b. Okay, you need to add the value of a and b and again restore or replace the existing value of a. So now the value is 10 and 20. So 10 and 20 is nothing but value is 30. So again where this 30 will be stored in the sense, again it will be stored in the value of a. So now the earlier value 10 is replaced and the value 30 is stored here. So this is all kind of an assignment statement in our programming languages.